Hey gamers, welcome to BuildMaster. Today's mission: crafting the ultimate budget AMD gaming PC for under 60,000 rupees. Perfect for 1080p high FPS gaming and live streaming. First up, the Ryzen 5 8500G delivers cutting-edge Zen 4 performance with integrated RDNA graphics. Pair it with an RTX 3060, 12GB, for stunning visuals at high FPS. The MSI B650M gaming Wi-Fi motherboard ensures future-proofing with tons of features. For RAM, grab G.SKILL Ripjaws S5 16GB at 6000 MHz for seamless multitasking. Storage? A crucial P3 Plus Gen 4 500GB NVMe SSD guarantees lightning-fast load times. Power it all with an MSI 650W80 Plus Bronze PSU for reliable energy. Finally, the Zebronics Iceberg Premium Gaming Chassis offers stylish design and excellent airflow. This build crushes 1080p gaming and streaming under 60,000 rupees. What are thoughts on this setup? Drop comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.